Hey everyone, I'm Bryan with TemboTusk here. I'm here with Jesse, Summit 4x4. We're up here in Prescott. Jesse and I only met a couple months ago. We met in Baja on the video.
Skottle, made by TemboTusk. It's an American-made product. You cook right on the disc. It's the best.
So what are you cooking on it?
Carne asada. You can do pancakes, hash browns. You can bake.
Wait, but can you do bacon?
No, dude, like nothing in your sleep.
It's funny now, we're here. We're coming up for the premiere. And we mentioned cooking bacon while we were doing fajitas for everyone at camp. And well, I figured we might as well do a live demonstration.
Which is great because for me, I've cooked bacon on this right now. I feel like every different type of cooking apparatus out there, there's a little bit of a trick to it, right? You got to kind of know what you're doing. And I made a rookie mistake on it, right? And you corrected me, right? On, hey, here's how we recommend it. And I was kind of blown away. So this is a great opportunity to show viewers and other people exactly how you should be cooking bacon on here so you don't burn it like I did.
Yeah, and there's nothing wrong with burning bacon. You know, you gotta do.
Well, I like it crispy for sure,
yeah. But I mean, we saw this from a friend of ours who had a Skottle, and we went, oh, even we learn from our customers, and he showed us this trick, and we go, that's how you do it.
That's how you cook bacon.
That's the right way to do it. So,
all right, I'm excited, man.
Let's get into it. I'll show you guys how we got taught, and now you guys can learn. So, best way. Get your bacon from the store. Jesse got us some Applewood smoked bacon. You can get the cheap stuff too. And we, or at least I like to just throw the entire thing on there, onto the side.
I got you right here.
Thanks, sir. And what we're gonna use is actually a principle of the Skottle where the center is hot and the edges are warm or cool. So we can leave the bacon up on the edge without it cooking. So I will get it.
And I'm gonna ask you questions as we're going along through this,
Absolutely.
right? So, low, medium, high, right? Run me through, like I've never used a Skottle before. What do you recommend as far as the temperature on it when we're cooking just bacon?
So what I would say is you're gonna wanna warm it up on a low to medium.
Okay.
You don't wanna warm it up too fast. It creates a really small hot spot in the middle for some reason.
Okay.
So warm it up, low, medium. Once you'll start to know once it's up to temperature, but once you're cooking the bacon, I'd say you run about a medium.
Okay, and no need to put anything down before you cook your bacon?
No, bacon provides everything you need
Beautiful.
for it.
Good to know.
So we'll give this a minute here. Yeah, it's already starting to warm up already.
Yeah,
so
that's
really,
quick.
Yeah, does not take long. So the gist of this trick is that you keep your bacon to one side and you pull off one piece of bacon at a time and you pull it through the hot spot.
Okay.
So then you're cooking here, and then when you're done, you're gonna pull it off.
So you're just transitioning from edge to edge.
Exactly, edge to edge. And I'll probably run 3 to 4 pieces at a time. And as you get through it, there'll be more and more grease in the middle, and sometimes you can add more, and you get 5 or 6. So I'm gonna bring us down to right about a medium.
All right, and that's beautiful. You guys have got that shield where you can see that flame just enough in there to see where you're at.
Yeah, there's a little gap, maybe half an inch.
Yeah.
And you can, you know, a lot of times I'll do it visually to see where I'm at. Sometimes I'll listen. So I'll listen to what the burner sounds like, and I'll go, I'm a little too high, a little too low, or I'm just right.
That comes with experience, huh?
It does, it does. Yeah, 100%. Some of the things, you just got to use the Skottle.
Yeah.
And you just go, I know how my Skottle sounds.
There you go, for sure.
So sometimes you can see I'm getting the center nice and browned up. How do you like your bacon? Typically?
I love mine crispy. If I order it at a restaurant, I don't want to chew on it. I want it to break off in my mouth. So I like a crispy piece of bacon.
Yeah, you can do that on a Skottle.
How you like your bacon?
I like my bacon just before it's crispy, so that it has like the meatier parts are chewy, but then the fattier parts are crispy.
Okay.
It's like right in between the two of them. Beautiful.
That's it. You can get super, super creative on these things, and that's what I love about it, right? Is I feel like, do you guys have a cookbook yet? Have you thought about a cookbook?
We have had a cookbook. So there's a digital one on our website you can get for free.
Okay.
We are in the process of gathering recipes from everyone.
Yeah.
So I mean, if you guys have a recipe that you haven't heard us talk about before, or something that you think would be excellent on a Skottle, shoot it over to us, because we're busy collecting things to remake a better, more comprehensive cookbook.
Yeah, and that's what I think. Why reinvent the wheel, right? If you guys have got a tried and true method for cooking something on the Skottle that's absolutely amazing, and then being able to have that as a free download or even a printed cookbook that you know you could purchase. I mean, to me that would be helpful. I can follow directions, but I'm not that creative guy, right? That's why I'm eggs and bacon.
Neither am I. Neither am I. That's why when I hear about these things, I'm like, I need to make that next time I go camping.
Oh, see, that's
There's your crispy
All right,
bacon.
so now you're pulling that one off to the side just to make sure it doesn't continue to cook at that same pace.
Yep. And I'll move these ones back into the middle. This guy's getting done.
So I can see why you're only gonna cook 4 or 5 pieces at once.
Yes.
Otherwise, you're constantly fighting the hot, the cold.
Exactly.
Okay.
And I mean, you can just take this whole thing and put it all in the middle, all at once, and it will cook. Absolutely. This is how we found to make that really nice, crispy, controlled
On
bacon.
every piece, right? Not on some.
Yeah, exactly. And you can kind of.
There you go. I can hear that buzzing.
You can kind of hear that the burner got turned up a little bit. So like now I can know, like I'm cooking on the higher end of medium right now. So, and that'll speed things up as well.
Love it.
Pull these out.
Yeah, that is really starting to. I bet you this last half of the bacon will go a lot.
It'll go real quick,
faster.
And that oil helps cook the rest of them.
Yeah.
So
I think something's wrong with the burner on that side right there. Did you see that?
What happened? I thought
That was perfectly cooked, brother. Good job.
that was a good one. You know,
I had to, guys. I had to. Sorry, I'm getting hungry. I didn't eat breakfast yet this morning. I'm like saving it, and I'm like, I'm gonna go for it.
That was
I saw
like the
my
oldest trick in the
opportunity,
book.
and I took it.
That was a good one. Hey, you should look over there.
What's up? Hey, cheers. There we go.
Oh yeah,
That is a dang good piece of bacon.
that's a good piece of bacon. Yeah, I'm sorry for the film crew. They're not gonna get anything.
Trust me, it's really good, you guys. You can probably hear me crunching, right? I got the crispy one, so it's good. It's good.
Now give it a nice brown. You can't go wrong with bacon in the morning.
No. My wife's gonna be like, where'd you get that new cologne at? It smells so good.
It's called camping.
Yeah, right? Man, and you are just about done, huh? Last piece?
Yeah, last piece. So yeah, you can see it's not hard to cook a whole pack of bacon, not get every piece perfect. You know, and after this cleanup, not much. I mean, I'm gonna soak up this oil with paper towel, throw it in the trash, and you know, maybe scrape the Skottle a little bit, and you know, we'll be good to either hit the trail or cook the next thing if we want. So it's not hard.
Awesome, man. Well, I really appreciate the tips on it. Definitely helped me out. And I'm looking forward to cooking on my Skottle next.
Yeah, yeah. Thanks, Jesse, for coming. I appreciate
Awesome.
it.
You
Thanks for the
betcha.
invite out to Prescott. It's been a fun weekend.
Of course, man. Pleasure getting to know you guys.
Yeah, of course. Thanks, guys. Bryan with TemboTusk here. If you have any questions, shoot us a message on Instagram.